Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about amazing benefit of onion for your hair. You may be surprised to learn just how powerful this humble vegetable can be transforming your health and appearance of hair. So let's dive into how onions can save your hair life. Onions are packed with sulfur, which is essential for production of collagen and keratin. These compounds are crucial for maintaining the strength and elasticity of your hair. Incorporating onion into your hair care routine, you can strengthen your hair follicles, reduce breakage, and promote healthy hair growth. Additionally, onions are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your hair from damage caused by environmental problems and free radicals. Now let's talk about how to use onion for your hair. Well, there are several ways you can harness the power of onion for your hair. One popular method is for create an onion juice for hair mask. Simply blend a few onion until you have smooth paste, then apply it to your scalp and hair. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out with cold water. You can also mix onion juice with other natural ingredients like honey, coconut oil, or aloe vera for added benefits. After using onion treatment regularly, you may start to notice some amazing results. Here I'm going to give you some tips and tricks. Tip number 1, combating the smell of onion. If you are concerned about the strong smell of onion at your hair, you can add a few drops of essential oil like lavender oil or rosemary oil to the onion juice mixture. These essential oils are known for their pleasant fragrance and can effectively mask the pungent odor of onion. Tip number 2 is performing a patch test. Before applying onion juice to your scalp, it's crucial to perform a patch test. Apply a small amount of onion juice to discard area of your skin, such as inside of your wrist or elbow. Wait for 24 hours to see of any redness. This step helps ensure you don't have allergic reaction to the onion juice. Tip number 3, consistency and patience. Be consistent with your onion treatment and maintain a regular application schedule. Hair health improvement from natural remedies like onion juice typically take time, so patience is a key. You may not be see immediate result, but with regular use over several weeks or months, you will be likely notice a positive difference in the strength, shine, and overall health of your hairs. So onions can truly save your hair life by providing essential nutrients and antioxidants that will promote their growth and overall health. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks.